I have a professional shipper that I have now hired who's getting all my shipping.
I lost my phone in the bins already. But I found it!
You got your pile here. You know exactly how to do everything, right? You're a pro.
Took lots of notes.
Yep.
Alright. eBay. Orders. Boom.
Easy. You got this.
That's it. Print shipping label.
Looks really nice.
I got my under 1 pounds and my over 1 pounds.
TJ has his own system. It's gonna work great.
Do it my own way. Keep the logo facing out. Seems like it would be a.
You put the big bills.
Put the big bills on the outside. That's a 5.
All right, so because I have my husband shipping for me now, I plan on him doing this every day. I don't know if he plans on doing it every day, but it would be really handy if he did it every day. I'm giving myself a listing challenge here. I made a very scientific whiteboard here that gives me a reward for however many listings I'm able to get up today. This is the way I motivate myself, you guys, with food. I've decided if I get 10 listings up only, I get no reward, no soup for you. 25 listings means I get a Costco dog, right? That's like the lowest tier you can get. It's not bad, it's cheap. It'll do the job, but it's not what I'm going for. 50 listings, we're reaching Taco Bell levels. Get yourself a couple chalupas. If that's not a reward for you, I don't know what is. 75 listings, we've finally achieved Chick-fil-A levels. That is the highest tier of the fast food in my opinion. But if I get to 100 listings, the reward becomes not just food related, but Ulta beauty related as well, because I watched this makeup tutorial. I haven't gotten makeup in a really long time, and I really want to go to Ulta and get some new makeup. So I told myself I could do that if I reach 100 listings, and I can get Chick-fil-A as well. It'll be a full-on party. I don't know if 100 listings today is achievable at all. I don't know what level I'll reach. I'm very curious to see, so that's why I'm taking you guys along with me today.
Hey, little guy. You gonna play with us until Dad's done with shipping?
You did it.
Done.
How's it feel?
It only took me 4 hours because I'm horrible at it.
It did not take you that long.
It took me like, I don't know, an hour.
When I'm photographing, I measure chest length from armpit to armpit and shoulder to hem if it's a top. If it's pants, I will measure the inseam as well as the waist and sometimes the rise, just depending on what the item is. Sometimes I don't take measurements if it's like socks or undergarments, or sometimes swimsuits if it's adjustable. I kind of feel like it's pointless to take measurements, but I do for most things. And then the way I keep everything organized is I take a photograph of the bin that I pulled this item out of. And when I have that bin number at the end of my photographs, after I import them to my computer, I know exactly where they are, and as I'm listing, I can put in the SKU so that later if it sells, I can very easily find it. So that's kind of my method. And this way, I don't have any piles of listed inventory that are just sitting here. I can immediately put them away back on my bins and stay as organized as possible.
Hey, little guy. Of course, today he has decided he only wants mom. He is very much a mama's boy today. So now that I'm done photographing, he goes down in about a half hour, but I'm gonna try to put him in my lap and keep him happy while I photograph for a little bit. And then my husband can feed him and get him into bed. But let me tell you a secret. I don't mind when he wants me. Huh? Mwah. Can you hang out with me? Do you want to learn how to list? So I'm going to see how much I can get done in the next few hours. Took me a couple hours to photograph all that stuff. Again, I had a lot of stuff that was pretty simple to photograph, but I'm gonna see if I can get this listed in the next 3 hours. That's kind of my goal. 3 hours to get all of these items listed. My boys have a piano recital that they need to practice for. Also homework to get done before the holiday break. It'll be really interesting to see how many hours total from start to finish it takes me. Of course, that is without like sourcing, because all of this stuff is just leftover liquidation items that I just hadn't gotten around to listing yet. Okay, so I've listed 14 items so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and cross these off as I go. 2 of them were listed directly on eBay, the rest were on garage sale. So I'm gonna keep track in a running tally tonight with you guys, but I get at least some reward for myself, right? Working my way up to a Costco dog, let's go. Okay, so as I speak, 14 more are going up. So because I'm at 28, I can cross off Costco dog. I guess that doesn't make a lot of sense because if I don't get to 50, then I don't really get, I think I default to the Costco dog, but I'm gonna go ahead and cross it off because I think I'm gonna get beyond that. Don't you love my very scientific system? It's getting late though, so I'm probably gonna get to 50 tonight and then try again tomorrow morning to see if I get to the 100 because I legitimately really want to treat myself to something fun. So kids are in bed. It's, yeah, like I said, it's getting kind of late. I think I'm going to really push. I'm at 28, so let's see if I can get to 50. That's 22 more. I don't think that's too hard. And then I will update you guys from there. So far it has taken me a little over an hour to get these 28 up. And if you guys are curious how I'm listing, or you know, you're seeing something on here that's not eBay, I do go into like the third-party listing software that I use in another video. It's not sponsored or anything, it's just what I prefer. It goes fast for me. Disclaimer, it does only work for Mac, so if you don't have a Mac you can't use this software, but that is what I'm using and it does go pretty fast. Okay, I'm ready to start all of these listings. I did it, you guys. Well, I got to 50. Okay, so I was actually wrong. I've been keeping a running tally and I'm actually at 54 listings. So, because I did a couple right in eBay because I didn't have like a template ready to go in my other software. I look very much worse for wear, but that's okay. I got a ton done. And I'm very curious to see, as I've been timing myself, how long it really takes me, and especially if like I'm focusing on getting listings up, how long it can take me and how fast I can go. So 54 listings up. I have been listing for about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours. Like I said, I had photographed for a couple hours, so hopefully it'll only take me another 2 hours tomorrow to get the rest of the listings up. Giving myself this challenge is definitely teaching me what I could do and what I can do if I really focus. 10 listings a day has kind of been my base level of what I get up in a day, but I'm realizing that I probably can do more as long as I have access to inventory, so it's a learning experience for me. But let's go ahead and cross off. Okay, one more down. Cross off the 50 listings. No Taco Bell for me, maybe. Although I'll admit it still kind of doesn't make a ton of sense because I'm not at 75. I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna get to at least 75. And what I'll do is I'll reward myself with lunch tomorrow, assuming I get done. If I get to 100, Ulta Beauty. I mean, I need it. More than ever, I'm seeing that I need it so bad. Okay, so it's the next day. Another day, another headband and workout outfit because I am really trying hard to work out every day if I can. But the universe is conspiring against me and my goal to get 100 listings up, you guys, because it's a snow day today with my kids. And I live in Utah where I swear there are like no snow days because we have all the snow plows in the world. But no, today was a snow day. My kids are home. I had to help them with their virtual learning. My husband is out shoveling all the sidewalks and I'm gonna try to get the rest of my listings up. Like I mentioned, I have 44 left to do. I just want Chick-fil-A. So I think I have some time. The kids are occupied. They're doing some online stuff and I'm gonna have this guy in my lap and see if I can get more listings up. I really hope I can get this done in like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. We'll see. You gonna help me, buddy? Are you gonna help me? Okay, you guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I got 75 up. So that means I at least get a Chick-fil-A lunch. There we go, in my very official chart here. I get Chick-fil-A for lunch, so that's great. But I didn't get to 100. I'm still proud of how far I got. I mean, considering this took more than one day, I feel like we really could have done it if we didn't have all these curveballs thrown. Having a snow day with the kids was a little bit tricky. But hey, 75 is better than nothing, and I worked through my death pile pretty fast. I think the total amount of time that I spent photographing and listing was about 4 to 5 hours. I didn't track it super well, which isn't bad. I can kind of see how people get more listings up every single day if they're trying to go as fast as they can. I'm gonna shower because I feel disgusting. I'm gonna have my husband go get me that Chick-fil-A lunch, and then I'm gonna come back here and finish up this video. I'm gonna try to do it like the TikTokers do it. Okay, ready? Okay, I got it. I had my husband run out and get it while I was getting ready. Amazing. I'm not sure what everyone else's order is, but mine's always the spicy deluxe. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm really proud of myself for getting all these listings up. I really wish I had gotten to the 100 mark, but that could be a challenge for another time. If you stuck with me till the end of the video, thank you so much. If this video helped, if it was interesting at all, if you like this video, the best way to tell me that you want me to make more of them is to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna dig into my meal. Take care, and I will catch you next time.